Good morning guys, daily routine. I-check po natin yung aking BP through this one, through this blood pressure monitor. Okay, so titignan natin kung ano na, kasi kahapon mataas yung BP ko. 171 over 116. Oh my God. Sana today succeed, no? Diba, Susan? Okay. Ayan, ako lang. Oh my God. Ababa ka, ha? Okay. Baba. Baba. Baba ka dapat. Oh my God. 167 over 108. Ano to? Oh my God. What happened? Guys, ano ba yun? Good morning guys. Ito, wake up 8 o'clock. 8:30 na, no? So, titignan natin yung BP ko second time around. Kasi kahapon, mataas yung So, dapat talaga everyday monitoring ng aking BP. Tama ba yan? Okay. So, ito. Dapat mababa ka, ha? Ayan. Relax, madam. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Okay, second try. Yung first try ko 167. So hindi ako kampante. Second try ko is 153 over 98. Sana okay lang. Oh my God. Pero dapat bumaba pa siya, di ba? So anong gagawin? Keep on not eating.
Exercise.
Exercise daw. Okay, so susumba daw kami niya mamaya.